guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find trending hashtags. It's very simple and easy to do, and I'm going to be walking you through step by step. And so let's go. So you can see right here where it says trends for you, scroll down and click on show more. This also applies to you if you're using Android or iOS. As you can see, we have an hashtag right here, hashtag BB Nigeria All Stars. Scroll down and check for other hashtags. If you can't find any other hashtag, this is a trick you can try. As you can see, we have Messi is trending right now. So what you can do is put hashtag before Messi. You can do the same for Baye, Inter Miami, Alex. It also works because if they search for that phrase, it's also trending. So another thing you can try, this is the second method, is go to any browser and type trends24.in and search for it. As you can see, we have all these trending topics right here and some trending hashtags. So this is a very simple website. You can see 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, few minutes ago. So you can find all the trending hashtags and trending words here. So as you can see, we have hashtag Umpana, hashtag Navy Seal, and hashtag PAOFC. Scroll down and you might find other hashtags. And if you don't find, you can also take any trending topic and just add an hashtag before the word. You can do that, or you can also check other time frames. So 2 hours ago, you can see hashtag Mpepero, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, hashtag Team OM, and some other hashtags, hashtag Lulo's Show. And you can also do that. If this was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and that's the end of this tutorial.